She woke up at 4:30 a.m. for this. But then something unexpected happened. First, let me show you how it started. Today, 5 Cappadocia words: balloon, fairy chimney, cave, valley, ancient, and something unexpected happens to me today. Stay and find out. I am sleeping inside a rock tonight. And tomorrow at 4:30 in the morning, I fly in a hot air balloon. I am a little scared. Is that normal? I think that is normal. "4:30. The balloon! I have to get up. I have to get up right now. Warm clothes. It is cold at that height. Maid is outside waiting. Let us go, Sophia."
Good morning, so beautiful morning of your life.
Mehmet, it is 4:45 in the morning.
In Cappadocia, things happen before sunrise. Come.
They are so big!
Each balloon, 1,000 cubic meters of air. When full, it can carry 20 people. Good morning, I am Ibrahim.
22 years. How many times have you flown?
More than 5,000 flights. Every morning is different.
The basket is made of wicker, like a shopping basket.
Wicker is the best material, strong but light, flexible.
Land hard?
It means do not worry about landing hard. Hold on, please. We are going up now.
The fire is so loud and so close and so beautiful. We are moving up. We are leaving the ground. We are really leaving the ground.
Slowly, slowly. Feel it. The earth is letting you go.
The fairy chimneys. They are below us. We are above them. They look like a giant's pencils, pointed at the sky. Hundreds of them. The sun! The sun is coming up. Everything is turning gold below us.
This is why we wake up at 4:30. For this exact moment.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the balloons. I cannot believe this is real. This looks like a dream. This is a dream.
22 years I fly this valley. And still every morning I look down and I think,
Do you ever get used to this view?
do you ever get used to this view? Never.
Ibrahim, is everything okay? Your face looks different.
The wind has changed direction. We must fly a different route today.
Is that a problem?
Not a problem. In ballooning, we do not fight the wind.
How do you know it will be beautiful, beautiful?
In Cappadocia, I've never flown somewhere ugly.
We are between the rocks. The fairy chimneys are right there, so close.
This is why I love the wind. It showed us something few balloons ever see.
I am touching a fairy chimney. From a balloon.
You just touched a rock that is 3 million years
3
old.
million years. We went through a cloud. Now we are above the clouds.
300 meters, the highest we go today.
Like I am the only person in the world.
Hold on! Landing now! Bend your knees a little.
Oh!
Perfect landing! You did very well for your first flight. In Cappadocia tradition, we toast after every safe flight.
To the sky, to the wind, to the view.
Now you understand.
Ibrahim, thank you. That was the most incredible hour of my life.
Come back to Cappadocia. Next time the wind will take you somewhere different again.
I will come back, I promise. Just for the balloon. Mehmet, I touched a fairy chimney from the basket with my hand.
Ibrahim took you through the valley when the wind is special. A big volcano covered this land. Wind and rain eroded it.
Nature is the best artist. From the balloon, they looked like pencils.
Turkish people called them peri bacası because fairies were said to live inside. Christian monks lived here for hundreds of years. They carved the church from the rock with their hands.
Paintings inside a cave church, 1,000 years old, still vivid. A room inside a rock. I am inside a fairy chimney, standing inside the rock.
People lived in these for 3,000 years. Natural insulation.
This valley is called Love Valley? Why?
Look at the shapes of the rocks. What do they look like to you?
They look like... I see! Turkish people have a sense of humor. I can see the whole of Cappadocia from here.
Every fairy chimney, every valley. Over there, look.
The fairy chimney that Ibrahim flew you near this morning. The fairy chimneys are glowing orange, like they are on fire, like the sunset is inside them.
My grandfather was born in a cave house. My father was born
But you still love these caves.
3,000 years in the same place.
3,000 years in the same place. I can see the Milky Way, the whole galaxy above us.
In Cappadocia, there is no light pollution. The ancient people saw this same sky every night for 3,000 years.
Comment below, would you go in a hot air balloon over Cappadocia? Are you scared of heights? Tell me, 85 meters below the ground?
20,000 people once lived down here, away from enemies, safe in the rock.
20,000 people! The air is so cool, and the ceiling is low. I have to
These
duck.
tunnels were made small for a reason. If enemies entered, they must come one by one, very slow.
A whole room carved from the rock.
Bedroom, kitchen, enough for 20,000 people for 6 months.
6 months underground with 20,000 people? I cannot imagine.
This is the door one could open it from outside.
They locked themselves in with a stone door.
And there is a small hole in the center to defend from inside.
A church underground. They had a church down here.
They had everything: bedrooms, kitchens, stables, wineries, school, church, a complete city, just underground.
I can see the sky through a hole in the rock, going all the way up.
Ventilation shafts, 3,000 years ago.
3,000 years ago, incredible engineers. The sun, the sky, the air. Oh, I miss the sky.
And they survived. They were very strong.
Very strong and very creative. So many clay pots, every shop.
A1-A2 pottery tradition, 5,000 years old. The clay comes from that red river. The same river, 5,000 years.
Hoş geldiniz. Welcome. Come in. Your hands, they are moving so fast. 25 years of practice. Wet your hands first. Now, press here. Gently, feel the clay move. It must listen to your hands. It is moving. I made a pot. It is a little artistic, but it is a pot. First pots always have character. I like that word for my wobbly pot. Now I paint the traditional Cappadocia pattern. Blue like the sky, the valley rock. The colors like the so vivid.
This is Fatima. She makes the best tea in all of Cappadocia.
Hoş geldiniz. Tea is almost ready. You cannot leave without tea. Pouring from high cools the tea a little, and it smells better.
She is pouring from so high, and not one drop is spilling.
I was born in this room. My husband and I lived in this room.
50 years.
This cave is warm in winter, cool in summer. My baklava. I make it myself. 40 layers of pastry.
40 layers? By hand? That must take hours.
My hands still know how.
The honey, the crunch, and the pistachio?
Good? You eat more. You are too thin.
Fatima, I will never leave this cave. Cappadocia today. Let us review the words. Repeat slowly after me. Ready? Balloon. A hot air balloon floats in the sky. It uses hot air to rise. Balloon. Every morning in Cappadocia, 150 balloons. Fairy chimney. A fairy chimney is a tall, pointed rock made by a volcano millions of years ago. 2 words. Say it. Cave. A cave is a room inside a rock. In Cappadocia, people live in caves. 3,000 years of cave life. Cave. Say it. Cave. Ancient. Ancient means very, very old. The underground city is ancient. 3,000s. Ancient. Say it with me. Valley. A valley is a low area between hills or mountains. Göreme Valley is full of fairy chimneys. Say it. Valley. Turkish phrase now. Merhaba. It means hello in Turkish. Say it with me. Merhaba. Now you can say hello in Turkey. Cappadocia words today. Balloon. Fairy chimney. Cave. Ancient. Valley. 5 words. Plus merhaba. You are ready for Turkey. So, the unexpected thing on the balloon? The wind changed. and we flew between the fairy chimneys. And I reached out and touched a rock.